Hi, second grade. This is Miss Weiss. Today I am reading the article for day 4 of your packet, Thursday, May 14th. The title of the article is Why Some Flowers Greet Us Each Spring. April showers bring May flowers. Have you ever heard this saying? Now that April is over, those May flowers are starting to appear. You may recognize a few from last spring. Many plants live and die within 1 year. Gardeners replant them each spring. But other plants stick around. They remain year after year. These plants can bloom again on their own. People do not have to replant them. These plants do need some help, though. They need light from the sun. They need water from the rain. They also need air. All plants need these things. Just 1 year or many. Many flowers are called annuals. Their lives last just 1 year. They start out as seeds. Then they grow up, make flowers, and die. The whole process takes a year. Sunflowers and petunias are examples of annuals. Then there are perennials. These plants are different from annuals. Perennial plants can survive for years. James Boyer is a scientist. He works at the New York Botanical Garden. You can see many beautiful flowers there. New plants replace old ones. Annuals make a bunch of seeds, he says. They use everything they have to do it. They put all of their energy into it. The plants take a chance. If they are lucky, the seeds will grow new plants. The annuals will die, but the new plants will replace them. Perennials are different. They do not make a bunch of seeds all at once. Instead, they hold on to them. They save their energy. The plants use most of their energy to keep themselves alive. Perennials can repair themselves too. They can grow new stems and leaves. Many will make flowers, but they sometimes wait years to do it. In most cases, the plants will save some energy. That way, they have enough for the next season. Then they can flower again. To get this energy, they need sunlight. The seeds also need enough water in the winter and springtime. Without water and sunlight, the seeds will not grow. They will stay below the surface. Tricking plants. Some scientists wish annuals were more like perennials. They are trying to trick annuals into living longer. But there is only one way to do this. It involves the plant's DNA. DNA is the basic building block of life. It tells a plant how to grow and work. Scientists are studying the DNA of annuals. They hope to change the DNA. Then the plants might live longer. Why are scientists trying this? In time, it could help grow more food. For example, corn isn't annual. It dies each year. Then farmers have to plant it again. They would not need to replant it if corn were a perennial. That would be a big help, James says. It could change how we grow food. Now that we're done reading the article, let's look at the questions we have to answer. Number 1. How are annuals and perennials alike? A. They both save their energy. B. They both bloom once a year. C. They both make seeds. D. They both can repair themselves. Go back through the article to find how annuals and perennials are alike. Number 2. Where is the botanical garden where James Boyer works as a scientist? A. New York. B. Florida. C. New Jersey. D. California. Go back and find evidence in the text to see where James Boyer works. Number 3. Life cycles are stages that animals and plants go through from birth to death. What is the correct order that describes the life cycle of annuals? A. Seed, growth, flower, death. B. Seed, flower, growth, death. C. Growth, seed, flower, death. D. Growth, flower, seed, death. Look back in the article for evidence to find which answer is right. I already know that I can cross out C and D because I know that plants start as seeds. Number 4. What is a reason why scientists want to change the DNA of some plants? A. To make them into annuals. B. To make them live longer. C. To stop them from becoming food. D. To make more food for flowers. Look back through the article to find evidence to see which answer is right. Great job, second grade!